Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn off lock screen notifications in Samsung Galaxy S22. To turn off our notifications on our screen lock, we have to go to settings, of course. Then in notifications we have lock screen notifications. When we go here, we have a few options. We don't want any notification to be visible when our phone is locked, so turn it off. And what does it do? As you can see, this will turn off notifications on both the lock screen and the cover screen if you have one, even if you turn on notifications in cover screen settings. So turn it off. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.